Hello people, it's good day. As you all know, you always watching our videos on this channel. Thank you for watching our videos. We just installation home air condition in car Ultra Pro Max. As you all know, sometimes the technology comes with different thinking. Different people know what technology is, but some people doesn't know what technology is just talking about. The technology is something that you will just keep your mind and thinking how you will just create something in life. As you all knows that any car has the AC inside it, but now we just create a legitimate technology to installation it in the car. Why some people may just think that we're going crazy because we just made this legit thing on the car, while some people may ask you about why don't you not use the originally AC that made from the company. Okay, let us just tell you something that you all don't know about the technology. This is not the first time that we install the AC on the car. Many people do this at many countries. We show you all these the thing that all some people have did from the many countries at the end of this video. Just keep to watch this video till end so we'll show you the people that made like us. The reason why we didn't bring you the video is that we did not completed the video. That is why we did not bring you the video. So when we just completed it, we just to upload you the original video. Hi guys, I see all knows that the original AC that meets from the in the car from the company, it will not give you very cool as you think. That is why we just think about this and just install the home AC in this car as you see here. So I don't think the AC home AC is not using the DC. As you all know, the DC is in the car, so we just fire the generator and install it. The AC is just working with the generator, as you can see here. Some people may just say that why did you just add Ultra Pro Max on our installation? So as you all know that the many phones has Ultra Pro Max. There is iPhone 12 Ultra Pro Max, and the Samsung and the Vivo phone, and many kinds of phone. There is Ultra Pro Max. That is why we just use it in our title, and we just give it the name on this car. If you just watch it very well, it just look like Ultra Pro Max because it is just the best time and not ever. And even the company of the car will just feel amazed when they saw this, what we created or we installed it. Yeah, that is why we just talk about this Ultra Pro Max. If you just look at it very well, it just deserves with this name Ultra Pro Max. If I see so, just comment on the video right. Just comment for us and show us your love on this video. If you just like it, don't forget to subscribe on our channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. We will bring you the original video for next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Just watch till it. We'll just show you the rest of the people who created like this, as we tell you before. Just keep your mind and watch the video till end and just see it. Thank you until we just meet you by the next time for our next uploaded video. Just don't forget to subscribe, like and share our video. Just wait and watch the rest of the photos that we tell you before Just keep your mind. Thank you for watching our videos.